Hey, it's Brittany from the Emporium. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. Got a little bonus video. I got the annual CatLadyBox Black Cats box, which is their October box every year. I have gotten the Black Cat box before. I really like subscription boxes. I don't get this one every month because, let's be honest, if you got every subscription box every month, it would cost way too much. I did get this shirt too as an add-on. I thought I was gonna have to open the box to get it, and I've been wanting to film this for a couple days, but this shirt came in the mail today. It's so cute. I love it so much. All right, so anyways, the Cat Lady box is a monthly subscription box. I can't remember how much it costs off the top of my head. There are two versions. I believe this one's called the Crazy Cat Lady box because it has cat toys in it too. But the Cat Lady box items are all curated for the human versus like Meow Box, which I make cat toys for, is all stuff for the cat. But the Crazy Cat Lady edition of this has both. So let's see what's in here. I'm so excited. Okay, so when you open it, this is what you see first. So there is always a little artwork card. Oop, upside down. And it'll tell you, I don't want to see what's in it yet, but it tells you about the artist. So this is Monika Suska. Oh, she's from Poland. In her own words, she's a legit crazy animal lady, and she draws a lot of cats. And then it has her Instagram. So that's super cool. All right, so it's wrapped up nicely. It has a little sticker. See what we got. So there's usually a shirt or a hoodie. So you get like a t-shirt, a tank top, long sleeve shirt, or a hoodie. I'm pretty sure that's what it is. I have a couple of each. And you can also get past box items on their website in their shop. And then like this shirt was an extra. It wasn't in a box. But yes. Okay, so we got magnets, a meowsing cat magnets. These are awesome. They're so cute. And they're all black cats. I love black cats. Black Cat Fan Club, established 2015. I love it. I actually had an item that we made that was in CatLadyBox in 2015. Oh, it's so cute. I love it. So that's the shirt. I think there's two cat toys in here. Yeah. So there's a little void kitty with his head stuck in a pineapple. Oh my gosh. Pineapple costume is easily removable. Oh, look. Okay, his head isn't stuck. It's his costume for Halloween. That's great. Okay, I'm gonna have a hard time getting. Look at those little toe beans. And then there is a black cat paw catnip toy. So I guess, okay, this is not a cat toy. Oh wait, it is. It says intended for pets. Does it have catnip in it? I don't know. But I kind of want to keep this on my shelf. The cats can have this. And the final item, I did get to see a preview of this. This was a spoiler. Ooh, it's a super fuzzy black cat throw. So my new void kitty, Luna, she's like 6 months old now. She is obsessed with fuzzy blankets, and she suckles on them and needs them. So she'll probably absolutely love this. Alright, so that's the box. I feel like there weren't as many items in it, but there's a whole blanket in here. And this is a big, I mean, it's a decent size. It's not like teeny tiny. It'll be great for when I'm down here sewing and it's cold. So you've got the blanket and the shirt, cat toys. Oh, I lost the pineapple. Kitty in the costume, and the cat magnets. It's awesome. I love it. So again, here's a little artwork, the card that tells you about what's in the box. And it says that the shirt is valued at $21.99. The blanket is valued at $18.99. The magnets are valued at $14.99. The paw toy $4.99, and the pineapple kitty valued at $5.99. And then it looks like the CatLadyBox Cares is going to the Tommy Cat Foundation in New York City. Oh, actually, no, it's got 4 different shelters, and it says that that's the rescues they donated to last month. So anyways, hope you enjoyed. Quick little video, little bonus. I will still be doing sewing video every week. I've got some plans. So thank you so much for watching. Please, if you haven't already, subscribe, leave a comment. What subscription boxes do you get? I get a couple. I'm sure they'll show up. I feel like this is a fun little extra video to do. But anyways, have a great day. Thank you.